Hello guys, welcome to Zen Technology. So in this video we'll have a small demo on how to install Python in your local machine. For this, go to Python official's website. Just type Python. It will give you the official Python web page. Just click on it. Then once the web page got loaded, just click on the downloads button. Just here there will be a button which will enables the latest version of the Python. Right now the latest version is 3.11.2. Just click on it and it will detect your operating system automatically. Right now I'm using Windows 11, so it will prompt me the appropriate and compatible Python version. Just after that you have to make sure, guys, before clicking on install now, make sure you're enabling add python exe to the path, so that you will not encounter any kind of issues. You can run your python through non ui, that is from cmd, from ms top operating system. Also you can um, connect with your python interpreter. You can write your scripts and execute your codes. Just click on install now, and based upon your computer speed, it will take hardly 10 to 12 seconds. And if your system is much older, it may take around 30 to 40 seconds too. For me, I think it has taken around still 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, hardly 18 seconds, guys. So it will prompt you that it states the setup was successful. So let's close this and open up your command prompt to check whether the Python is successfully installed in your PC or not. Just click on CMD and always go with run as administrator privileges. Click on yes, then just type the command python space double hyphen version. So it says our Python has successfully installed in your system. To interact with the Python interpreter, just click the word Python. That's it. So you see this the difference between before you were in ms dos c colon windows setup 32 and python in windows 32, but now you have navigated from there to the directory has been changed from that ms dos operating system to python interpreter. Let's say I want to print hi. See, you got the console, which means you have successfully installed the python version in your computer. Thank you, guys. For more updates, subscribe to my channel, Hussein Technology. Thank you.